It's time of the year to plant my vegetables. We have 4 types of peppers, cucumbers, sesame leaves, eggplants, squash, tomatoes, basil, parsley. We have more eggplants here. I planted some lettuce seeds. Already planted some lettuce here. Some more peppers. I already planted some of the peppers here. This is the fertilizer that I use for my veggies and fruits. It has leather meal, poultry manure, bone meal, alfalfa meal, and other vitamins that are good for the plants. I usually put them inside the hole before I plant the plants on top of it. I show you how I use them. So what I do is I put one handful of the fertilizer inside the hole. You could put the fertilizer around the plant, but then your garden will smell like chicken poop, and also there will be a lot of flies coming because of it. And make sure that you put the stick, the supporting stick, before you plant, because if you put it after you plant, then you may damage the roots. Hello friends, today is April 29th. I finished planting my seedlings. Here we have eggplants, cucumbers, so I have eggplants here. More cucumbers. These are all hot peppers. Sesame seed, sesame leaves. It's crunchy peppers. More crunchy peppers here. Basil and parsley. Plant some lettuce seeds. Tomato. These are all squash. I planted more lettuce, mustard green. I planted some lettuces here, and they did not come out yet. More cucumbers, twisted peppers, more eggplants, cucumbers, more eggplants here, tomato, jalapenos, tomato here, another tomato, tomatoes, twisted peppers, some of my lettuce. Okay. I'll be uploading again next month in a month and show you how well they're doing. Thank you for watching.